Good day everyone, I'm Abigail P. Suribaga from the group of Ravenclaw, and today we will discuss about the movie of Unfriended Dark Web 2018. The director was Steven Susco, and the character was Amaya, Damon, Nari, Serena, AJ, Lex, and Matthias, who usually hang out through a group video call. Everything starts when Matthias began using a laptop he found, thinking it could help him improve an app he's working on. From there, things spiral out of control, as the original owner of the laptop tries to get it back, dragging all of them into a series of threats, blackmail, and cyber attack. The entire film takes place on a computer screen, giving viewers a realistic look at how dangerous technology can become in the wrong hands. Because most of the scenes in the movie happens through a video call, something we all use now, whether for school, work, or just chatting with friends. Matthias discovers hidden encrypted folders and videos stored online. This reflects how people use cloud storage today, not only for convenience but sometimes for harmful purpose. There are also several internet threats, like hacking, identity theft, and dark web crime. Hackers in the film can access webcams, microphones, accounts, and personal information, showing how unsafe our device can be if we don't protect them. They steal personal information and use it in harmful ways against the characters. Dark web crimes. The film reveals how the dark web is used for extremely dangerous activities like human trafficking, illegal videos, and hiring criminals. The lesson that I learned from the video is always protect your digital privacy and be aware of the dangers of dark web, and be careful with what you click or download.